Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English on YouTube.
Today we have a simple question for you. But before we start our daily chat, Miss Crunch and we have to ask you something.
Yes, that is very important for the Crunch family. If you like our podcast, please click that like button right now. It is really a big help for us.
Yes, and please subscribe to Speak English on YouTube.
And you'll become fluently in English faster than ever. Rit. Enough out this. We come back to our daily topic, honey.
What do you do for fun? What is your hobby?
Think about it for a moment, pause, and say it out loud.
Good. Speaking is important.
I started a new hobby recently,
Oh, really? What is it?
drawing.
Drawing? That's interesting. Are you good?
No, not at all, but I don't care. I love it so much.
Perfect.
Why perfect?
Because hobbies are not about being perfect.
That's true.
Last week I tried to draw my cat.
Oh no.
In my picture, my cat looked like a potato with ears.
That sounds artistic.
It was not artistic, but I was so relaxed. I forgot about work. I forgot about stress. I almost forgot about my own family.
Rit. That is why I like drawing. Repeat after us. I draw because it makes me happy.
Good, one more time.
Excellent.
My hobby is dancing.
Really? What kind of dancing?
Living room dancing.
What is that?
I put on music at home, close the door, and dance like a superstar.
Do you have good moves?
No, but I have such a confidence. You have no idea.
Last Saturday, I was dancing very energetically. I jumped and I hit the lamp.
Oh no!
The lamp is fine. But my pride is not fine at all anymore. But I laughed for 5 minutes.
Say this.
I dance when nobody is watching.
Very good.
Another hobby I love is reading.
What do you read?
Simple novels in English.
That's smart.
At first it was difficult. I wanted to translate every word, but now I just read. I accept that I don't understand everything.
That's important. Repeat. I don't need to understand everything.
Perfect.
I tried a new hobby last month. Cycling.
That's healthy.
Yes, but I forgot something important.
What?
I forgot to check the seat.
After 10 minutes, my legs were tired. After 20 minutes, everything was tired. Ha, ha, ha.
That is part of learning.
Exactly. Hobbies teach patience. I also tried meditation.
Oh, very calm.
Not for me. I sat down, closed my eyes, and started thinking about dinner. Then my email. Then my shopping list. This was such a mess in my head, you have no idea.
That happens to everyone.
Yes, but I learned something. Even 5 quiet minutes help. Now it's your turn. What hobby helps you relax?
Pause the video and say it in English.
Good job. I tried something new last weekend.
Oh, really? What did you try?
Roller skating.
Roller skating? That's brave.
Yes, I thought it looked easy.
Was it easy?
No, not at all. First, I put on the roller skates. I stood up very slowly. I felt confident for about 3 seconds.
Only 3 seconds?
Yes. Then my feet went in 2 different directions.
Oh, no.
I tried to stay calm. I said to myself, I can do this.
And then?
And then I fell.
Was it a big fall?
Not very big, but it was very dramatic. I moved my arms like I was in a movie.
Did people see you?
Oh my God, yes. A small child looked at me and said, "Are you okay?"
That is embarrassing.
A little, but also funny.
Did you try again?
Yes, that is the important part. I stood up again. The second time, I moved very slowly. Like, very, very slowly, you know,
Like a baby giraffe?
exactly like a baby giraffe. But after 10 minutes, I was moving. Not fast, not elegant, but moving.
That's progress.
Yes, and I felt proud.
Even if you fall, you can stand up again. What a great lesson.
Exactly. Repeat after us. I can try again.
Good. One more time. Mistakes are a part of learning.
Perfect. Now tell us, have you ever tried roller skating, or did you fall like me?
I want to learn the piano.
That's exciting.
Yes, but I'm scared
Why?
because beginners don't sound very good.
Everyone sounds bad at the beginning.
That's true.
Repeat. It's okay to be a beginner.
Excellent. You know something important? Hobbies don't need to be big.
That's right. Watering plants, listening to music, writing one sentence in a journal, even learning English with this video is a hobby.
Yes, and you are doing it right now. Think about this. When you finish work or school, what do you usually do? Scroll on your phone?
Or do something creative. Maybe this week, try one small hobby. Just 10 minutes. Now say, my hobby is
Good. Now say, I do it because it makes me feel.
excellent. Today we talked about drawing, dancing, reading, cycling, meditation, and learning new skills.
The most important thing is not to be perfect. The goal is to enjoy your time and to speak English a little every day.
You know, when we talk about hobbies, we are not just talking about free time.
That's true. We are talking about moments when we feel alive, moments when we try, when we laugh, when we make mistakes, and when we grow.
Exactly. Maybe today you learned a few new English words. Maybe you practiced speaking, or maybe you just smiled a little, ha ha ha.
And that is already a success. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. A little English every day makes a big difference.
If you enjoyed spending this time with us, don't forget to subscribe to Speak English on YouTube. When you subscribe, you won't miss our next episode.
And we have many more easy conversations, simple stories, and speaking practice waiting for you guys.
You can also like this video if it helped you. It really supports the channel.
And tell us in the comments, what is one hobby you want to try this year? We love reading your messages.
Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for speaking with us.
And we will see you very soon, right here on Speak English on YouTube.
Bye for now.
Bye.